In Denver, Colorado, and I want you to check this out. Tomorrow they claim it's going to get down in the 30s and we're going to have snow here in Denver, Colorado. Then it's going to actually be a warm front once again on Friday. But check this out. The wind is blowing extremely super hard. I don't know if you guys can. That is sand. See the trees over there? That is sand. That is literally sandblasting my truck here. Exactly what that is. You hear that? I think we're going to get blowed over here. We are rocking, rocking, rocking. Welcome to Colorado. It was 83 degrees, now it's down to 74 degrees. So the wind has definitely cooled things off a bit. Look at that, that's sand that's blowing across the parking lot. Let's get another gush. Let's see one more big old wind before I cut this off. I am really, really glad I'm not driving right now. Yeah, it's rocking our world. I want one more gush of wind there, Mother Nature. How about one more? There we go. There we go. There's another gush of wind. We have a windstorm happening.